ra ở ngoài. Cũng phải là gì đó.
Okay.
Is anybody in?
Yeah. Yes.
Is everybody in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You can make start.
Ready?
This it's be easy. Number 2.
Oh.
I did.
I didn't try it.
A regular Blooket. Hallelujah. Never everybody fighting against each other.
This is my favorite. Yeah, I mean, me favorite.
Yeah, if you mess up everybody, you don't have to mess up just one person.
Guys, this distraction was me.
What's an 18 Deck 10?
Why? I can't tell if it's time.
2018. I mean, 2020 Deck 10. Wow.
Now, of course, I'm not cheating. Just be patient till you find it.
Deck.
Distraction. Times forward. Okay, who did the jellyfish distraction? I didn't.
Don't know what that means. I ran out.
What's the big combo going on over there? I don't need all of that.
That's I just got it off.
What y'all on?
No, you ain't on the choke.
No, I know what you're gonna do.
How would Benjamin?
You got lemon?
Just call it a yellow crack. You call it
That's a great. That crab was great.
I would have that.
You can't get anybody on the phone at the school.
Before anything, I did. My. Before I'm looking.
I got an orange.
Tell one
You got a what?
a donut block.
Yeah.
I done some times. I done some times. Yeah, I'm done. That's it.
Is that the right number?
Oh, no.
Okay. The message just says. I'm calling because my daughter.
I try.
Her schedule has been incorrect. So we've got her advisor, who doesn't really know how to help her, and she has English 1 for her second year, but she took it as an 8th grader, and she was also trying to change her to theater, and it's, it's getting, it's like the 8th day of school now, and I was trying to get in touch with someone. I tried to email some people off the contact list, but I haven't heard back. I don't know if it's the right thing, right? Can you tell me how I can talk to you? Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good job. Huh? Thank you.